Welcome back to the Robert Stone Club channel. Today we're diving into this explainer on the billion-dollar heist. Right now in Washington, crypto rules are completely stuck. You see that wooden gavel frozen midair? Laws like the Clarity Act just didn't pass. And while the government stalls out, we're watching red charts crash hard. The market is just left wide open for thieves.
So the SEC has a new plan. Commissioner Hester Pierce calls it an important step forward. But hear that clock ticking loud right there? Talk takes time. And while we wait for new rules to drop, scammers are working overtime. They're busy building traps to take your money.
$300 million. Watch those heavy red numbers just slam down and crack the floor right over those empty digital wallets. That massive number is exactly what people lost to crypto traps in just one single year. TRM Labs dug up that hard fact. And the FTC, they say it's over $1 billion since 2021. This weight is literally crushing real people. To understand how they steal this much cash, you absolutely need to know one word: liquidity. Think of it like this glowing blue pool of water, locked deep inside a thick, clear bank vault. It's the cash used to buy and sell a token on an exchange. If you can grasp who controls this pool, you can spot the trap before it snaps.
Now, people out there call this trap a rug pull, and it always happens in 5 exact steps: launch, hype, trap, pull, escape. They build this nice-looking staircase, wait for you to step on it, and then boom, the trapdoor opens up. They just drop your coins right into a black hole.
Let's break down the setup here. Launch and hype. That's steps 1 and 2. The team makes a brand new token. See that fake gold rocket ship taking off into the clouds? That's the exact vibe they want. They pay loud voices to push it, promise huge returns, and buy a ton of fake ads. This drives the price up super fast just to trap fresh buyers.
Hey, please subscribe and hit like for more crypto investigations. Okay, so watch this heavy scale tip to one side. Step 3 is the trap itself. You're holding the glowing tokens on the light side, right? But the team, they hold the massive locked vault. They hold the pool. They hold the actual real money.
Just watch this green chart line snap right in half. Let's look at the Squid Game token timeline. Days 1 and 2, giant hype. Day 3, the price hits an all-time peak, but buyers suddenly realized they couldn't sell. No way out. Then on day 4, the team drained the liquidity pool dry. The line plunged to absolute zero. Reports say they took $3.3 million and just vanished.
And you know what? The traps get even bigger. Watch this heavy anvil drop right here. The OneCoin scam sold this grand, fake vision of a new Bitcoin. It got so bad the FBI actually put the founder on their 10 most wanted list. Police say this massive trap crushed at least $4 billion into pure dust. Think about that. $4 billion.
But you can fight back. You gotta spot the trap before it snaps shut. Look at this clipboard here. Watch these heavy red stamps hit the page. First, are there real names tied to the project? If they hide their faces, you better hide your money. Next, is the smart contract checked by a real team? Because no audit means huge risk. You always need to ask yourself this one question: who holds the tokens? Take a giant magnifying glass to a blockchain explorer. See that glowing red wallet stuffed with cash? You might find that one hidden wallet holds most of the supply. And if one person owns the whole board, they can crash the price anytime they want. The rule is simple: do not trust. Check. Watch this heavy steel shield slam down to block that falling red chart. Smart money builds a shield against the hype. They literally do not care what loud people are yelling online. They only look at the hard, cold data right there on the blockchain. So here are your exact steps. Watch the green check marks pop up on the screen. First, use Etherscan to track the big wallets. Second, go over to team.finance to prove the liquidity is locked up tight, because a locked pool means they just can't run away with the cash. And hey, if you do decide to buy, start very, very small. We all have to stay safe while Washington stalls. See those government buildings fading away into the background? The rules will change later on, but right now, the doors are wide open and the laws are moving so slow. Until the state sets clear lines, you are the only defense for your own money. So watch that glowing lock snap shut over your digital wallet. You need to lock it down. So you're facing a choice at the crossroads here. See the sign? It points left to a safe, locked vault and right to a broken, falling bridge. It's up to you. Look at the data, read the smart contract, and check the actual facts.
Will you be the smart money or the trap? The daily market updates and the community are on Telegram. The link is in the description.